Only Dian, Diana Anemia.
Sign interruptions.
Who can find some nobody Bisawa? Was a Yamina Meka, Jai, and Fatal Jai. Who can find some nobody Bisawa say, what's your two? Didn't say 20 to share one castle also. What's your two or castle?
Or say,
he just said it.
I'll start with pepper spray. And I will be saying, now, why not got two or castle? Aha. And I will be say, and in tea and your call to share no swan. Also on Canada.
Okay, two and a seven. Because we have tried to find out why is he could to share this. Oh, not for buy. Because it's already Jai.
Very important. Nana Akomea kasa. This will be a yen or no ye. Oh no, John. Pastor, it's important. Ukasa, more kasa. Now, Ufisa Ukasa, Mimias and Bissau. Ufisa Ukasa, I didn't have counterparts.
Oh, I said, you be some me.
But a boon ye dimay who, until you how we are. Now, your behavior on this program is becoming unacceptable.
You are deciding about my behavior.
Behavior is becoming
How dare you? How dare you talk about my behavior?
You too.
Time, Kwesi Jai. You are stigmatizing the woman. Besides identity, I was on car. Okay, one can share. Why is he stigmatizing one person? Time, Kwesi Jai.
Your behavior is
fact. Then you should admit it.
So let him finish.
Then you should admit it. Who say a fact? Then admit it.
Nana, let him finish.
Who say a factor? Then admit it. Admit it. You can't just come and say anything and then when we challenge you, say something cancer. At time, Jai, Kwesi at time. Open your money in Casa. Who's stigmatizing one woman? After this, I say, now we say, I spread it. What kind of analysis? At time, Jai.
Question.
Just our line of
but course what
Jai.
Sasuban Bonnie now good in Pana Casaba Hatino.
Also bimbo. I feel also be Yesuban Bonnie. Are you also showing respect?
This is my turn to talk.
Are you also showing respect?
Is this your turn to talk?
Nana, I may say at this point
that is your turn to talk. It doesn't mean you can say anything and get away with it.
You have a chance to rebut later. Why do you interfere? Why do you prevent others from talking?
Interfere. Should I refer you?
Nana, at this point,
we are sitting on a high horse. Who Kwesi? You are rather sitting on a high horse.
You are misbehaving.
You have no right to pronounce on anybody. You are here stigmatizing one woman. You business say then why ya? Usi pepper spray. If say pepper spray in Tiana, uso cancer. Debe na why ya uso okotutu. Then business say Tiana no tin to share uso cancer.
Pepper spray in na obi ko bo no justify.
Yeah, tight. You can make your analysis. You can make your analysis without stigmatizing anybody. If you are going to stigmatize somebody, say so. Be clear about it. Be clear about it.
Let the listeners and the one who judge.
If it's the truth, then admit it and let's go. Because I am in here. Kwesi Jai is our analysis. Analysis. Fatal.
Kwesi say is Suban Bonnie.
Yeah, challenging was a Suban Bonnie. We will challenge you. We will challenge you.
Now one more
you are here stigmatizing
don't let
somebody.
it descend into.
Are you showing respect to that person?
Nana Kwesi,
Kwesi Pratt is sitting on a horse, pronouncing on people.
Yes,
you have no right. You have no right. You are going to person refer to a. You are coming to sit on a high horse here. What bet na question paying up? What bet na? Nipa baako. Mami kasa bi. Who say nipa baako? Adenti no kwa this problem. And we abobon krofo bi din. So amu call doors no trouble. And then bisa will say, do you know something we don't know? Say my mini koye be bintina yata kena. Then we can all get them. It's besides say they no koye. O say okuta pepper spray. And then besides say enunti no mukutu share no so no ana. O so nkasa. Ye go so kasa no. Misan besides say debe no koye. O so okotutu o kaswa. And besides say enunti na ko share no so ana. O say nkasa. Now say no ku akofa say no ba na ebisawa. O say menkai. What is that? And yet you are happy to if it's fast, then admit it. Yeah, it was the one.
Now, what about German son? I mean, what do you want? What about German? I mean, Nana Akomea. What do you think about this? What about German? How to talk? What Nana Akomea?
No, because how can I tell you how to talk?
So stop it. I'm just because you have no right to tell me what to say. What do you want about German? How to talk?
Kwesi, you can't intimidate.
I'm not intimidating you. You cannot tell me how to talk. What do you want?
Jao tantrums no jai. Won't intimidate you biawa.
Menka son kwa semi.
Say there Kwesi Pratt.
Empamcho moye mpanyinfo mo nyina mo semi panyin, but you are all out of order. Respectfully.
Kwame, I'm not out of
you order. Are Kwesi at this point.
Out of order?
Please.
Kwame,
please.
how am I out of order?
But
you gave me the chance to speak.
Yeah, but you see, getting upset and talking back to me like this is even out of order. Calm down.
No, it's not out of order.
Calm.
You
Kwesi,
gave me the chance.
Kwesi, calm down.
Boko.
Kwesi, ubag the catapult room. It's you there. Debbie, Kwesi, Nana also. Nana, why unfair to Kwesi? Oh, Kwesi, me say.
So why are you creating the impression as if I've gone?
Oh, Nana, Kwesi Pratt, my main concern you. Nana.
Yes, sir.
I think also, sir, respectfully, you've been unfair to Kwesi. What heckle no do there?
Oh, heckling.
Yeah.
Nasa Kwesi,
Debbie. Nana, yeah. You chaso.
Okay, Kwesi meja heckling.
Me pacho, moye mpenyinfo, ni peti, Mr.
Oh, meja heckling.
What heckle no do there? Yeah. Kwesi mpacho so mo akoma mra from kakra. Oh, great. I okasa ni edi hu. Nana Akomea one na na cover. Kwesi. Kwesi. Now, how dare you and who the hell do you think you are? Na see yet you.
No.
The Enti me purchase also akoma basro.
Kwame wa butre chemi.
Kwesi. Kwesu dem wa buteche bebre.
Also me pache o mani kase.
Kwesi pacho wi na me ko panyi so na. Oh.
David Kwesi.
David.
Akwesi Mr. Wa.
Na akwesi wi ma me kase.
David who kase biom. David utimi so enko so sacha.
Ya okay no kwe. Yes say like
how the bc. David ka ba bia how the bc no. O de 2 sentences scrap
for us. After all this heckling
Prof. What was Nana Akomea ni Kwesi? Omayama obisi a friend Mickey from Takrade. Osim Kwame just 2 days into your show. Nana Akomea and Kwesi Pratt want to send you back to exile. 2 days ago, they want to send you back into exile. Baptism of fire. But normal, minimum.
And anka would be see na bibi na buy inti na they are bano
o se kremo dak na abasa
but odisi wa na say na ekoso no wa mpe of course enisa open sound so but say dey be ya asumdwe bebenti no wo dey to aso kakra
asumdwe na dey aba o ye karate black achekwa wa ye karate black you be meeting na
ntokwa dey
there be na say enye ntokwa
say mistake ni na Akomea nko black belt yes sir
na when we say why ya masese no I said, "Uhrenhre ni power dem ha."
Kwame, mami kasai.
Debi wo dey wo say no musuo.
Because so waja na
onka so waja amawo. Onka so waja amawo. Me.
Okay.
Me na mre ni here media.
Farmer be na me.
Debi. Prof, I patch your brem na
politicians no afab voters they say omo zombies anything you obey bia no e beto aba na yeden amam anything on the campaign front no omango council papa bia ewo eno kwa na share constituency no ebufu na me kwabna I knew some be bunko for ho chese Thursday me ko program original TV me ne pato me point na me see region ni mo na ana me say motos be 70 etina junction me rana me say so surprise am yo mo bi a she white ana ma tro ni mu e blue army and I'm saying, what is going on? But I'm sure boys in this one. Omo ayemfian no so say omo ya army. They are all lacking vitamin C. Vitamin C.
Any D
I know Timothy we are going to you see, I was thinking maybe I no more for no more for akwaje hono. Now I say police show because we read the article 210 now. Nobody can raise any army in this country. Now we say army. And just to throw no say kamo general anu hands na mo do.
Na say this for catch so mo green.
E je omu nyina say ka so throw no su ho. Obi enu also onya army okrom a. Ana omu de obu so mo koi. Na how akumsin. So abusuafo no mutie mi. So onya muye ku ampuni a. Me scanning on all the social media platforms so Kwabena I was surprised say enko fodo do omoni ade age no edoso se omo ye omo. Enipa omo fi se de punishment no onya wo no sua no. Anje wo se ka akwa no tumi wura ni mu no edoso se omo ni ni ya. And we see me hu sa na me emu asem se oba be sia e de na enko fo tumi kasa wo no wo enipa bonini. And it's not telling confidence sympathize with him. No. With them. But across the politics in Tino, oh, yes, and yes, within them.
I'm before we are on the core campaign. We are now for social media, normal banter. Yeah, always. I'm telling her, now even Crano, you cannot say for certain say, or more yes, I didn't every NDC. Because we deal with our friction with Kennedy Agyapong. So you see, people are taking it on themselves. That's why I believe they have to do a thorough investigation of what happened there. Because mind you, I'm called internal primaries. One of the problems. And to wear your opportunity. What does it? Groups. Wear your opportunity. Now, yes, sir. Okay. How come see the intelligence of picking your pepper spray? Yes. So what to me any intelligence be seen wafa pepper spray dia kaswa dia ba ablekuma say o ba be spray go for ani so dia na chese o see ahwehwem na me the last time who so be in the ti enu obi yam na ezidani odi nu matarazi yam ba no kra na ye close and the fact is ya man red car hey akwa we dia ne dia me who video Gyamfi you okay I call more long for the money what you won't go for it now come to me too sir then you here do na dey me who here this akwa na tu ni yam suru itri you onya na no anke Kwaku hawa me kra dey police for omo no nkrofo bebo omo ye police for omo guard no now spray go money
me say na because akwa no tu no me sure say spray be ko ni and to all no na afi atiafa so because we should be say we should to no say wanya hawa en kan e ko bere e be si for amerepra ana hawa eje saade na me no de na eye mesere wo me say adechi ana me hu say Bawumia akufio akwahyo no say how I feel okosano o say they won't forget John and Jemu
ante hore how I feel
no what was sika wanya
how
what the sika wanya o politics wasa white aso so wedding kunim yes Odi aditia ye kasa ye ka ye a wo fa koko boda ya Gyamfi wa odi otie a o mi aka kaya dwiricha randi abi no to na onchicha post di ye no. What are you talking about? Na Bawumia ko ho no mo a. Wo si o so manche omo a yes they will never forget. Owie ya no ko share sporting atta no ko tena Holy Circle say or football. Oh, anybody we a bad man. What come will be finished? Don't go sebu. Uwie ya ase da ko ya ho say we dey come owie no ko tena Holy Circle otchere. Ana we die ne mu eye hawaya. I hope say how see be sure be free. Esan say me ya aware the war was be terrorizing go for workers. Look, member be fan who this afternoon about be emotional or some of these things. I was say one more deep bonu okrom ha nyina no. Ye ma omo ti ase say ente sukoko obi anu. And MPP na complaining about say ya bu obi. Hey, na dem madana obi nyane me. Da yeso ana.
Yes,
Ali Zakaria Oruala Nchematia Sumarso Uncle Northeast Bawumia Krom in election, internal elections, and representing what the Moja they buy. Nonsense. Who is talking about violence in the MPP? They shouldn't annoy anybody. No, bro, Ali Zakaria, Uncle Crowd, such a one side, my say, Munya 100%. And let's be better, 100%.
Now, if you answer.
Can you imagine? I was a teacher, Omato two dia, Chachoma Bushino, say Ali Zakaria and side pinches now Bekuno. That was the ordeal. I don't say one number official or teen and then in China papa. Internally, Kwabena Agyapong also on serious, Gianas and Academia. Invisible party, your brother to say a trying to car glass him. At look, what the koi? Na ye cancer moi. Nana come. What are they talking about? I before they can say. Poku. Hey, you know what is that now me? Now abem boni amudi din kofo kroma. Me I believe say what has to happen. They say I was say abanya wabakofa sa white people ni nyina. One more year was so west for go. Ye bo mudi your prosecutor because crime has no expiry date. Say ye kwenim. Esan say Obien wa or monopoly over violence. Now opposition.
No, but the MPP feels so they have the monopoly.
Now boys, if you say me got here, it is a miracle. Say macho my be able to macho for you. When you try, what God I can. Or they didn't even identify me.
Also, Baby Nigina,
what just here? What's the go wrong? Women over to a young Pierre. Amfu, amo na mu interview. Who am voted to my west. Uncle Hobby. Akotie yi won ko bi ana wo ko pian go for good trouble ablekuma yi ko ko da sia fa ase no akoje fanso
odu ne honye
ojo ka wi no jane wo tete ma wa sit e safe ya Gertrude se bo wo du antre mema sem wo se wo kwa ya akotie when in fact akotie figures ni nyina kire say it will be extremely difficult for the MPP to win that seat. It will be extremely difficult. Now when you know, I see. Ultimately, the akoba ya ne baye. Yen nyina yanti asese violence enya depa. In fact, Kwaku Kyeremanteng wa bina me Kwabena in the year 2000 kabana kabebe nka atiasefo ho. At a gunpoint in Sobayiri in the Jirapa Lambusia district. And no tira ye ba be ka je ekufo na na me na de emini be wie kinten. We da MPP no. What you wonder Akufo Addo systematically obia no officer or ya wo wachi the tiny no wo yi ni free party ni obo wada ediya na asane. Look omo yes anyuma we ya edu dia last time UPSC yenya brain yenum sa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia omo no ma wasa wabon no na yakwa akofo afiri so wo ti hwi chemu wo ba ya dia asem no ka kire o se man of destiny. How can you tell us on my Ghana say ye tie ya ye bobredu say wo kwa go ka asem so be a man of destiny e yo Bawumia Akufo na kachire and je na oba be kachire yen say your friend say ye take decisions are yen frɛ wa oba say me for serious since when now you take decision yen frɛ that time now kaka say obi a man of destiny
and why never catch so a man of destiny
kaka buz ala me kachire azansem na oba ye no wo ma sound by dachi o free system ni mu a na mo start abo Akufo ansa na obekɔ no o kasa we ye man nya sa di we sa record we because some days we lessons because we may see the opportunity of being the father of the nation. Abre nipa du mienu na na contest election 2024. Now could be one be apart from so cast or a man of destiny no. Was up the catcher Ghana for nyina say or nipa du mienu na ekona owura Bawumia panel na dwe mu do obetumi aye. When I'm say hey. Oh man. Na want to free. Look, before so be ko break, me catch say me we 2000 I would have died a stupid death. Because me team and you know, na me tia wudu saka bas mu as a student, be through so ba yiri e wo Jirapa Lambusie district. Mama ni say, me ko me busuafo kro man kra wo mo. Obi enu say me ti school me sua de ade ya me wo gidie bi se kofo be president a e be boa Ghana. Yakọ ye no dan kwada akoto aba ye preventing kwada na say na omba panum nyira ekọ afuom ana omo maame nim di sum e di speed akọtwe omo fu ana omo ka jam mo sorry amoti kromu ana mo so ye mema hwe say kabongafo. That was the first time I heard say ufri ase aye fro kabonga kabongafo aba be preventing mumba kwabena na mema yi banda krikri na se kanye yei na ni pe hu sa de wi ana ye to bam edwesala satem edwesala ne MP for Jirapa ana ye ni mi no ho say it is either all of us die here or you settle the matter. Ma me be near friend Mrs. Boone no ye MP be chobe MC for Jirapa ya bo ba be say te say ye look what are they talking about ni nya na ye wukofo ye one support to Alanda obi obeka to support to Alabia is a fallacy. Take it from me. And so Alan has suffered politically because of Kufo. Yeah, it's true. If Alan go NAPO bemudie, kubusu anidie, ombedi running mate, yan sacrifice Alan. That was the main reason. NAPO ye kubusu ani abejani onko na Alan tranche ni wo fa se. What you say? Nentino and oba bejina say ye you echi because omo tam omo twa di kura free party nim. Because what now what Shama said you have for Penina or if you me win and cano you can Nankarifo. He is the chairman of the Nankarifo. A jet and an idea. Also remember and be sympathize with you. For what? For what? Akufo Addo buy Obosumi Aketwa Kranomupia.
I see.
I'm telling you. Yeah, where you 200, where you 400. She can't show me.
It's sad, eh?
She can't warm. Na monso ya kachira na muntia mo beje fire no so I say anything no we ye Adam Godadadwe I don't take it serious. Me withdraw my support for him 2017. Abraham was consistently. How is it? So what the party anymore? Na ye to me ye Paul Afoko as a chairman. Obi a yakoto the swabo. One more what that? What you go for him gasada? How is it? So party who would give any muda obi a the swaba Paul Afoko so ye hunipa. One more what that would be a young castle, a gentle giant. Nearly a young Kwasiafo giant. Nobody is going to do that dogma job in you. And it may withdraw my service 2017, said Papa, me share now a person in your life and the better now. To me supporting my brother with you. And I may catch me crash and me cry. Me that was sister me course of Bayiri. One kumo because me we are it would have been a stupid death and come fan ko bia essence nipa na me di na chi a me ko say o ma me penny say ne be ya that one also free so party be ya kono ne yi no wono nwini obi a ho oyo no nko a won so finish Brian Campaign campaign we Brian because Brian he kon na go pay endorsement and it ka ko come meet the journalist call ko dey what the microphone go see nenum nanim say oya dey on ka bibi ade okay overshadow the okoye nyina what finish you wo occasion na only go din gobo no dey ba beton
but you are talking as if he's talking as if Brian is a wise man.
No, na say na make to finish na party one account. Na party na be so ba mu the second vice. A party abuga. Enye buga na second vice say. A party akọ
na Aremeyaw say akoba say yentimi en discipline MPP for no wabra no mo abem na enne nyame ayadum na they are being disciplined enti videos na etwego ni nyina no ifa amamani agipa maniji agipa ba ko ne say hawa kumsia na yefre no obotuo ene wahu sane sebi obra no emu ahwease no etie ekura dem say o ma hyeda anya ne hwe
o video no
o me say step
hawa kumsi message
o me say step no te hwe
party for video no to so ma bra of e kasa no mo hwe hawa kumsi yi no what dey atoso
na we obi ene den
oh wow
media na mehu ya
odniti
ah nipa no ko nachi ya hawa kumsi no ko nachi
ai
ana nipa no
ana ofenti ye
enti I messed up
o me say step
of another any we say most peaceful elections ever I want to say messed up
na say the Ghana for pedi aye MPP for no enye anu ni
we to for bo
we na wo wa manipa mienu awu mu a just because of your selfish interest
sanko your bow
or your bar oh ya sa kasa na ya mo me keka na wo de your bar ntie nya no ya wo ba wa jimie e wo wiase mpa wo ba te se ha wa kumsin
de bi no ntimi kasa wa jimi
e bia wo de wo ntimi nka me na meka cha no dina nya na wo kasa yi
de bi
o se mi tin si wo kon so ntimi nwi te se
wa kumsin jimi
wa jimi pa
oh wa fa jai ntimi kasa wa kumsin jimi enye fine say how kumsi Jimmy ofa
enye Jimmy nko no we Jimmy abodam
o de to aso
na wo oba besi anka sabi nke ye pe omo wotema ne abadaya a omutimi de ma nipa enya sabi
anka to sabi kra say how kumsi sabi
we Jimmy minto sabi asem no kra bi enu ya to sabi enti we na course we no mo de ache no me so hu nintem election bia be koso bia obesi obia no me kase nyame ani monyam se gise mini ho
oh ha be
emebo mani ama ya bu no
dabi
media
you cannot be preaching violence on the show no
what are you talking about
no, but you are preaching violence
this was a woman that was preaching violence in that time
but how a different place of
fine me they say higher studio na studio ya mo de ti ya sebio mo de mo nyame seb na mo de kan e de mo mi enko to John chapter 10 ne ento aso mo mi enko to ne fam preach Bible said ye wo twese kan no wu se kan no enti de o twiti o yeden enti kami nye we na me hwe se ka we ka ba na 10
dabi didn't mean preaches
no I am not but that is what the Bible says
no dabi dabi
now do twese kan no twiti o no how kumsi nye tu no twen ye
dabi radio powerful didn't mean preaches
no I am saying it to mean that look obi an fanto ne hofo say nyanda da ko pena dam ebe free ni petrim na enura no abodam a ene obi modam afa no abegyina na me tomatete ohun ne kami nya be tu afri wo na ka dia ko na ko bo next time we say wagimi
ye ko ne sa na o mind ye ko
na mo ya na tet for tat mo ka say dey ntina obi bo sum na so boni bia kina obi jai say oh me entra se ne enka na sumdiem eti we MPP for fensua nyansa na se next time mo fa aboa dwan se oni o manimu a obehu se nipa na obedi o mo so aba koto aba yankan keke wo de wa dane a war zone asesa langa sinyina de o madu achi ekosi ni sen na ka se na akọ yo sen ko anyere ne ho anso so anya ne bia e na o ye ne ho tebo a egobe de na obe MP eti platform we aso na me catch na akoyo say na akoyo e ma me complaining kire me na me ni ahode am di kodi wachi mano e na bia metimi di aka bia ma wo so ko high boys na bo mu bi tit for tat, a tooth for a tooth, an eye for an eye.
It makes the whole world go blind.
What else here? Now who call election? Pepper spray what they call it? What the pepper spray they call it? And we know media many papa. And I may bomb in some men this or my rom. Among Koso and Koso. Na said the biabe bono wababe complaining ya bome me banu na uko school na obe catch me say the bia obi aboa me amesa atwa ba abu obo wa boni bi no offense nyansa Akufo Addo sha se abu MPP woni Alan contest ni etufo obi aso ontie me a victim party kro na mu we are huntoken anya ndisi for na ebu omo omo party for na se omo agimi do tie bomo atia mo abramusum party for na omo party for na ebu omo say just ko dia say mo nkwa abato bia eno ono
grams wanko ho
okopede wo o say Justin crowd ono onye obi amu fie no ye na ye oba bema magajia yenko osa call no cry yes interview na or say NDC for no gain some more power. They will show them where the power lies. When kai chan ka bo zani sisi achia sisi na pem ho sa no
obe proud
I didn't zumudu we nyam pray na wo ma nipa mienu awu anipa ya kana asemi nipa mienu asemi ensa kra first two no ekum nipa ba ko
yeah as in the second one mienu
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.